How to reset V380 Pro Wi-Fi camera. Step 1. Find the reset button. Depending on the model, the reset button may be under the camera lens, in a small pinhole labeled reset, on a reset cable with a rubber cap on the back of the camera body. Step 2. Power on the camera. Make sure the camera is plugged in and fully powered on before attempting the reset. Wait for the startup sequence to finish. Step 3. Hold the reset button. First, use a paper clip, pin, or sim tool. Press and hold the reset button for 5 to 15 seconds. Then release the button when you hear a voice prompt or beep. Many V380 cameras will say restore factory settings, waiting for Wi-Fi SmartLink configuration and access point ready. Step 4. Wait for the camera to reboot. The camera may take 1 to 2 minutes to reboot. Do not unplug the power during the reset process. Step 5. Reconnect using the V380 Pro app. Open the V380 Pro app, tap plus Add Device, follow the on-screen setup instructions, then connect the camera to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and create a new camera password. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.